convince him I want his back. First part. Let's break it down even further. The farther his limb is away from his body, the less control he has over it. We are naturally stronger towards our core. Watch his hand and watch where I'm pulling. Where'd I pull? My core. Where's his hand going? Farther away from his body. See it? Gives me his back. He doesn't want me to get his back, so he'll automatically turn towards me. That's when I take this off and I'll turn right onto it. So I go. See it? There you go. Fed it in. So now I need to put him in the front dynamic. Take advantage of the front dynamic, which is knee in front of toe, head in front of knee. So when I go, it unlocks my arm. Watch. Step in. Now his knee's in front of his toe, head's in front of his knee. Now I spin my body. Boom. Comes right around. I got side control right here. I would feed this in. Come here. Boom. See me? And then go wherever I want to go. Boom, boom. Somebody on his back, this arm shoots down. At the same time, this one moves up. Grab his wrist, step in, spin around, knee on belly. Here, I go to arm drag, convince him on his back, feed my arm in. I'm here. This one shoots down at the same time that I swoop out. Grab his wrist, step in. See it? Arm goes down, lean around, lean in. My hip into him. Gonna make him step right behind himself. I go knee on belly. Order. Go into my graduated form. We go from takedowns, body drop, to Karate. So I'm standing here, convince him I want his back one time, boom, feed it in. I come, instead of loading his shoulder a lot, I just load it enough, boom, get control, step in where he still has dexterity. He steps around, I step in, and launch. Now, I don't move my hip underneath to lock his arm for takedowns or Karate-Jutsu. I stay up to unlock his arm, boom, get it in front for a bolt lock clinch. So I can transition to an uncontested single. I bump him, boom, scoop, scoop, grab him around his waist. I bump, boom, grab his neck, knock him down. Now, I'm in a control position. 4 phases to any technique. Setup, entry, control factor, where I'm at, and the finish. Finish is inevitable. Now, I shuck, boom, grab, plant, hop over for dope mount, and then rules of jiu-jitsu tell him, don't turn his back to face me, so he lays down, he pulls me right on top of him, dope mount. I drop low, trap his arm, gable grip, hop off, knee on belly. I have a driving leg, bent, lean in, squeeze. Right? Look at it. Right here, right here, right here, like this. Yeah. He'll lay down. Boom. See how it just pulled me out? Now watch this. Drop my shoulder.
Slide. And then you slide it in.
Place this.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Gable grip. Hop off. No.